What started out as a joke has turned into a multi-billion-dollar movement, fueled by rocket emojis, Shiba Inu memes, and Elon Musk. So how did an internet trend from 2013 become one of the world's most popular cryptocurrencies that some hope could one day become the currency of Mars? It all began in late 2013 when software engineer Jackson Palmer tweeted, "Investing in Dogecoin. Pretty sure it's the next big thing." He later described the tweet as tongue-in-cheek, aimed at mocking the sudden emergence of Bitcoin copycats that had flooded onto the market over the past year. At the time, Dogecoin didn't even exist. However, when the tweet gained traction, he purchased the domain dogecoin.com and filled it with a mocked-up logo featuring the Shiba Inu Doge meme that had inspired the tweet. It quickly became popular with a niche tribe of meme-loving technologists on Reddit, and Palmer was approached by fellow software engineer Billy Marcus for permission to turn the idea into an actual cryptocurrency. It only took about 3 hours to make, and on the 6th of December 2013, Dogecoin was born. The blockchain technology underpinning Dogecoin was based on the cryptocurrency Litecoin, which itself was just a slightly tweaked version of the original one, Bitcoin. It therefore shared many of the same attributes as its more famous older cousin: decentralized, semi-anonymous, and created by a digital process known as mining. But unlike Bitcoin, there is no limit to its supply. Within its first few weeks, Dogecoin's popularity and price rose in tandem, with the community that formed around it using their collective power for fundraising. They raised enough to send the Jamaican bobsled team to the Winter Olympics, sponsor a NASCAR driver, and even bring water to drought-stricken regions of Kenya. Such stunts brought even more attention to Dogecoin, and within a year its market cap had risen to more than $90 million. But the influx of capital and the prospect of getting rich quick saw parts of the community turn toxic, as Dogecoin's creators put it, with more focus being put on the price rather than good causes and having fun. It was at this point, in 2015, that Palmer and Marcus decided to take a step back. Palmer later said in an interview, "I saw the space being overrun by opportunists looking to make a buck. I quickly learned a passionate community of people throwing around money is like blood in the water to the shark-like scammers." Neither of Dogecoin's creators had become rich from it, with Palmer revealing that the only physical thing he had to show from cashing out his holdings was a massive jar of Nutella. Dogecoin's value slid alongside its reputation, and it lingered in relative obscurity until the great crypto bull run of 2017. A fresh wave of meme aficionados jumped aboard, including SpaceX and Tesla boss Elon Musk, who briefly changed his Twitter bio to read CEO of Dogecoin. More endorsements from the world's richest person in late 2020, including a hint that the Mars economy will run on crypto, saw Dogecoin's price begin to skyrocket. On the 8th of February 2021, Dogecoin's market cap topped $10 billion for the first time. This was a 30-fold increase from the same time a year earlier, and a 200,000% increase since 2014. Anyone who bought $500 back then and held onto it would have been a millionaire. Yet calls continued to send Dogecoin's price to the moon. Just like Bitcoin, Dogecoin is blighted by extreme volatility, and it crashed to around half its peak value within days before making a comeback once again. Whether its growth can be sustained is impossible to predict, and may depend on the continued support of Musk, who has criticised large-scale holders, known as whales, for hoarding the cryptocurrency. If they were to sell, Musk hinted that it could allow the meme-inspired cryptocurrency to become the currency of the internet. But Musk's own relationship with Dogecoin has begun to echo that of its founders. During a recent interview, Musk said,
"Occasionally I make jokes about Dogecoin, but they are really just meant to be jokes. Dogecoin was made as a joke to make fun of cryptocurrencies. Like I say, the most entertaining outcome is often the most likely, and arguably the most entertaining outcome and the most ironic outcome would be that Dogecoin becomes the currency of Earth in the future."
So there may well be more twists left in Dogecoin's tale.